In this video, I'm going to talk about becoming a property and casualty insurance agent and what you can expect by joining this industry. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Sakha. I started a PNC captive insurance agency about 7 years ago. It is September of 2024 at the time of this recording. I started my insurance agency in November of 2016, and over the years, I have hired probably over hundreds of PNC insurance agents to join my team, and so I've had my fair share of what you can expect when joining this industry, what makes people successful, what makes people fail, and in this video we'll talk about all of the above. And so come on, let's go. So I filmed a video just like this about 3 years ago when I first started my YouTube channel, and a lot has changed since then. And so here, this is my content studio. This is where a lot of the magic goes down. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I talk a lot of things insurance and social media and how to start an agency and how to be a successful PNC and agency owner at the same time. And so be sure to follow and subscribe if you haven't yet. Like this video if you get some value. And yeah, this is my office now. We've come a long way since 3 years ago, and like I said, we got an office in Oregon now, so that's pretty cool. And this is what our office looks like. So you can hear a lot of people are actually on the phone right now, so that's pretty gnarly. That's probably one of the first things you can expect is you're going to be on the phone a lot. You're going to be selling a lot. You're going to be calling internet leads. You're going to be generating insurance quotes for the agency that you're working with. And that's probably one of the first things you can expect is sales. A lot of it's outbound. A lot of people need insurance, and a lot of people are always looking to save money. However, people don't realize that they're underinsured, that they are paying a lot of money for the bare minimum insurance coverage. And one of the things you can expect is that you're going to have to educate people on having better insurance coverages. And so that's probably the first thing you can expect is being on the phones a lot. The second thing is educating clients on having better insurance coverages. And let me go ahead and sit down and we'll get into the rest of the things that you can expect. Insurance agents. What is every agency's highest closing lead source without fail? Personal referrals. What if I told you I could help you turbocharge the frequency in which you got personal referrals? In the last 5 years, I've written over 5,000 items and $3.5 million in premium from inbound organic sources, and it cost me nothing. How? Because posting on social media is free. If you want to turn your agency into a referral machine, then go to nicksakha.com/creators and sign up for the Insurance Creators Mastermind, where me and my team will meet with you and your team twice a month to help you with something that no other agency is doing. Imagine having the guidance, the ideas, the trends, and the strategies that actually work in converting more business for your agency. Go to nicksakha.com/creators for more. Now, back to the show. So we've already gone over the first two things that you can expect being a PNC, property and casualty insurance agent, which are expect to be in sales. Like you're gonna be selling people, you're gonna be promoting insurance and the ability to quote people, your friends, your family. You're gonna be building referral networks with lenders, mortgage lenders. You're gonna want to build relationships with people that can refer you business, and that's all sales. And so, second thing, being on the phone. Majority of what we do is over the phone, and that's the cool thing about it is that you can call anybody and make a post on social media, and really anybody can be your customer because everybody wants to try to save money on their car insurance. And of course, you're going to be educating clients on being properly protected and making sure that they have the right coverages, because most people don't even know what they have. Now think about yourself. You probably have insurance. When's the last time anybody ever actually broke that down for you? Probably never. You probably only know of full coverage and deductibles and maybe roadside assistance. Like that's probably all you know. And so take it upon yourself to be the difference maker in actually educating your clients on what it means to be properly protected. And as you're going through the licensing process, you're probably gonna learn a lot about what that actually means. Number 3 is the opportunity to work in an industry that's recession proof. So basically, no matter how the economy is doing, whether it's during 2020 when COVID was here, or whether it's during a great recession like in 07, 06, 07 when the housing market crashed, insurance is gonna be okay, right? So no matter what happens, people are required by law to have insurance, and that's what makes this product so amazing to be able to provide. Because, and also think about it like this, we are providing this service that helps people on their worst days, when like the worst case scenario has happened. So something happens to their house, something happens to their car. We are the ones that are providing this service that provides that comfort for people when the rainy day happens or when that worst case scenario happens. And so an opportunity to work in a recession-proof industry. The fourth thing is the opportunity to work with an uncapped earning potential. Now, the majority of insurance agencies, P&C insurance agencies, and really any insurance agency, whether it's life insurance, health insurance, or property and casualty, it's usually uncapped potential, meaning you can make whatever you want to make as long as you are the right type of person, meaning you're driven, you're coachable, I'm gonna do whatever it takes type mentality. There will be no limits to your income, to the income that you can earn. And even if you do reach a point where it's like, you know what, I'm making $150,000, $250,000 a year and I want more, at that point in time, you'll be so damn good that you can open up your own insurance agency. And so 9 times out of 10, every insurance agency, P&C, life, health, that is hiring, it's an uncapped earning potential, and hopefully you're working for the right organization or applying to the right organization that has the structure and the investment mindset, the growth mindset, that they're gonna invest so much in leads and marketing and your development and your training that you do have a true uncapped earning potential, and not just a company that says that and you look around and it's like they're not even buying leads or they're not investing and growing, and it's like maybe 1 or 2 staff team members. And that's okay if it's in the beginning of their journey, an agency owner. But if it's an agency owner that's been in business for like 5 years and this is kind of like what they're doing, it's like, I'm pretty sure you are limited. And so just keep that in mind as you are looking for the right opportunity. And if that's you, you're looking for the right opportunity, I'm always hiring, I'm always looking for A players to add to my team. And so if that's you, ask for the email and in the caption or in the comments, and I'll be sure to send you my email so you can send me over your resume. So we have uncapped earning potential, and there's also advancement opportunities that you can expect if you're working with the right agency. Now, if there's an agency that has a large team, like 10, 20 team members, best believe that that's proof that you can work your way up and you can be the right-hand person or one of the top executives or leaders within this organization that will allow you to earn even more money. Because if you help an agency owner with their problems of growing and scaling an insurance agency, that's invaluable. But a lot of times the first problem you need to help solve is sales. You just need to help them with the biggest problem that we always have is we're looking to sell more. We're looking to sell as much insurance as we possibly can in order to grow our agencies. And so if you solve that problem and then you figure out problems to solve within the agency, right? With how do you make the agency operate smoother? How do you help train and develop those around you? How do you just make it to where you're pretty hard to replace? That's how you grow and advance in an insurance agency. And you can also get to the point to where you can again open up your own insurance agency if that's what you desire. And you can learn everything you possibly takes while you're in the agency that you're in to eventually be prepared to crush it as your own agency. When you get to put your name on the door and you get to reap the rewards of growing an insurance agency. And no, it's not easy. It's gonna take work and it's gonna take reinvestment. And I drop a ton of videos on agency owner success. This one's a little bit more geared towards just being new to the industry and what to expect. I've got 2 more, and number 6 is the opportunity to work for a small business. And that's what basically we are. Like, we represent a large company name. Like in my case, I represent Allstate Insurance. If you are working with a broker, they represent multiple companies. And so you represent a big name, but it's very much a small business, meaning the culture is completely the agency owners. And so there is that benefit and value of working for a small business owner because you get to see what it's like. It's not like when you work for a big corporate organization, how there's like levels of leadership and so on and so forth. The opportunity to work with a business owner is super valuable. And I wish that I perhaps could have spent more years working under a small business owner than I did in corporate banking. I spent 7 years in banking. I learned a lot from it. I think I could have learned a little bit more working for a small business owner that was willing to teach me everything that they know. And so working for a small business does have its perks. And the last thing you can expect is you might be able to work remote if the agency offers that. So that's another little side perk benefit. But the last thing you can expect is that you're gonna learn skills that are gonna take you everywhere. As long as you are applying and working with the right organization, the right leadership that pours into their people, you're gonna have the opportunity to develop and to increase skills that will take you far. And so it's all about what the, when you're accepting an opportunity, it's much more than the income. That's huge, right? We all wanna make money, but the skills that you can learn by working with the right leadership can take you so far. The ability to sell, the ability to market yourself, to learn sales and marketing is huge. You will never have a problem with money. If you learn leadership, sales, and marketing, you will never have problems with money. You will always be able to make as much as you desire as long as you learn those 3 skills. Operational skills. What else? Just managing people, customer service, and then just the operations of running an agency. If you learn these skills, it can take you very, very far in your career and or just journey in general, whether you want to be an entrepreneur someday or whether you want to be the number 2, 3, 4, 5 person within a large organization. You can learn these skills in the insurance industry as a P&C insurance agent. So if you got some value out of this video, you gotta subscribe, hit that like button, follow me on my social media platforms. If you would like to work in my agency, I left the link to join in the caption. And so thank you so much for watching. Peace.